Hello everyone, I am Hanuman and today we are solving one of the most famous array interview level problem, the LeetCode problem number 238. Product of array except self. The twist that we are not allowed to use division. So we in this problem statement we are given an integer array. For every index we need to return the product of all elements except itself. So basically we will go through the example number 1 in which we are given an nums array. So we have to product of all these three digits, or how much the digits the array contains. It depends on the values. So we don't have to do the multiplication of itself number. So except one we have to product all the three remaining digits. So we multiplied 2 into 3 into 4, so the answer was 24. And for the next time we didn't multiply the 2 itself and multiply the accept values, which was 1 into 3 into 4, which is equal to 12. And then except 3 we multiplied all the threes, which the answer came 8. So on this process will be uh, applied on all the values. So we don't have to multiply the value itself, and we have to product all the left values. So in the example 2 we can see the minus. If there is a minus value we are directly returning uh, 0, because minus is not allowed. And for the 0 the answer is 3, because 2 minus value were multiplied by itself, then the value become positive. So now let's move to the solution part, in which we are going to use uh, prefix product and suffix products. So for every index we are multiplying product on left with product on right. So move to the solution part. So first we have to declare an int n, which is going to hold the value nums dot size. So n equals to nums dot size. Now we have to declare an vector int answer ans, which is holding n comma 1. And now one more an integer variable which is named as prefix. Int prefix equal to 1. And now we are going to use for loop, in which we are iterating int I equals to 0, I less than n, I increment. In this for loop we are going to perform an answer index I equal to prefix, and prefix multiply by prefix equal to multiply by prefix into nums index I. So prefix multiply equal to nums index I. And now we are again declaring an suffix equal to 1, and again a for loop in which same thing int I equals to, but this time we are iterating from the back side. So int I equals to n minus 1, I greater than equal to 0, I decrement. And now answer index I is multiplied by itself and into suffix. So answer of index I is equal to answer of index I into suffix, and suffix is going to be assigned as suffix into nums of I. And now we are going to return the answer. So here we have declared, and so I will explain one by one. So int n is holding the nums dot size value, and vector int answer is a store the final product, and the int prefix equal to 1, which is to track product of all elements on left side, and int suffix is used to track products of all elements on the right side. And in this for loop, answer index I equal to prefix and the suffix on the right side. So both these are for loop condition are for prefix and suffix, and at the end we are returning the answer. So first we are going to run this code and check if any error. So there was no error, and our both the test cases have passed successfully. So now we are going to submit this solution and check the time complexity and space complexity. So here our solution took 3 ms, and space complexity is also good. So this was my solution for LeetCode problem number 5, LeetCode problem number 238. So thank you for watching my video.